with the 29 question. I have now picked up a matrix question for you. So let us start with this. Okay, this one. What is the question? The question says let A be a 2 by 2 matrix which with positive entry bounded above by a constant a greater than 0. So each entry of a to the power 5 is bounded by 2 to the power 3 a to the power 5, and each entry a to the power 10 is bounded by 2 to the power 5 a to the power 10, and each entry of a to the power 7 is bounded by 2 to the power 6 a to the power 6. Not none of this, which will be the answer. So the problem involves analyzing a 2 by 2 matrix with positive entry all bounded above by a constant a greater than being 0. Okay. So now the matrix property we know, it goes like this: a1 1, a1 2, a2 1, a2 2. Okay. Now for all entries we know a ij greater than equals to a for all ij. Now we know power of matrix. When you multiply a matrix by itself, what happens? The value of the entry in the regulating matrix grows based on the number of terms. Like, so specifically each entry in a to the power n, it's will be a sum of products at the entry of a. Okay. So for a 2 by 2 matrix, each entry of a to the power n can be expressed as a sum of product n entries of a. Now we have to bound the entry of a to the power n. Each entry in a to the power n is formed by multiplying entry of a and summing them. So since each entry of a is less than or equal to a, each entry of a to the power n will be bounded above by a constant that depends on a. So a to the power n will be 2 to the power n minus 1 a to the power n. Right. Why? Because each product calculation, in each product calculation there are n terms being multiplied, and there are at most 2 to the power n minus 1 such terms contributing to each entry due to the 2 by 2 structure. Now I have to evaluate the options. So option A is what? A to the power 5. So that will go by like what? 2 to the power 3 a to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 minus 2 a to the power 5. So a to the power of 10 will be what? 2 to the power 10 minus 2 a to the power 10. Okay, and option C like this. So correct answer will be A. Okay, that each entry of e to the power 5 is bounded by 2 to the power 3 and a to the power 5, right? So we have to find the answer like this, and we'll go like this also. So